The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to the apostles, "Who among you would say to your servant who has just come in from plowing and tending sheep in the field, 'Come here immediately and take your place at the table'? Would he not rather say to him, 'Prepare something for me to eat. Put on your apron and wait on me while I eat and drink. You may eat and drink when I am finished'? Is he grateful to that servant because he did what was commanded? So should it be with you. When you have done all you have been commanded, say, 'We are unprofitable servants. We have done what we were obliged to do.'" The good news of our salvation.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid. In our gospel, we are given this story about a servant who is coming in after plowing the field, after tending the sheep, who is coming in back to his master's house. And then we have in our first reading a clarification. Yung ating ebanghelyo tungkol sa isang servant na umuwi. And then our first reading from the Book of Wisdom clarifies, where is it that we would find our true home? San tayo umuuwi? San dapat tayo humantong pagtapos ng ating buhay at pakikibaka sa mundo? And I think you know the answer to that, no? After doing all our work, our mission here on earth, we would want to come home, not just to the home of any master. We would want to come home to God. Nagkakaisa po tayo doon, no? Sana, yun din ang iyong hinahangad. Wala nang ibang tahanan para sa akin, kundi ang tahanan ng Ama. Because there we have peace. Sabi nga wala nang pagdurusa, wala nang kamatayan, wala nang sakit, kundi lubos ang ligaya at buhay magpakailanman. What a nice picture of our homecoming. Great peace with the Father. The Book of Wisdom tells us, you started with God. This is our journey, no? We started our lives in grace, in the hands of God. It was God who formed us, God who created us. So dapat lang sa Kanya tayo humantong. But the key here is, yes, God is our ultimate home, our ultimate joy, our ultimate peace. But this can only happen if at the present time we place ourselves also, our lives, our struggles, our joys in His hands. Nakakalimutan natin palagi yung trajectory ng buhay natin Nanggaling tayo sa grasya, sa kamay ng Diyos mismo, at ini-expect natin sa Kanya tayo uuwi. But why is it that in our lives here on earth, we forget to place our lives also in His hands? Do not forget anymore. You are God's. You are His children. Always keep close to Him in every prayer, in every struggle, in every sacrifice, in every joy. Be God's child. Put your life in His hands. And even here and now, experience His peace. My dear brothers and sisters, let no other treasure give you more joy. Let no other promise give you more hope. Let no other presence give you comfort than God. Knowing God is your Father. Nagsimula ka sa Diyos, magtatapos ka dapat sa Diyos. At dapat mong ilagay ang iyong ngayon, ang iyong buhay, ang iyong lahat sa kamay niya. Peace be with you.